What if I told you that a teenager is making $5,000 a month selling digital planners they did not even design? And they are doing it entirely with free tools, spending less than 30 minutes a day. While most people are stuck trading hours for dollars at a day job, a quiet group of beginners is tapping into a massive, hidden economy. Today, I am going to show you the exact, step-by-step blueprint to copy their success and make your first $1,000 online, starting tonight, with zero budget and zero experience. Let us skip the fluff and get right into step 1, finding a high-demand, low-competition niche. You do not want to sell what everyone else is selling. Instead, we are looking for digital products that solve a specific problem. Think of things like budget trackers for college students, social media templates for real estate agents, or fitness planners for busy moms. To find these goldmines, go to Etsy or Pinterest and type in a basic search like planner, then look at the auto-suggested search terms. These are the exact phrases people are actively typing in with their wallets out. Pick one niche that feels interesting to you and let us move to step 2. Step 2 is creating your product for free. You do not need to be a graphic designer. We are going to use a free tool called Canva. Go to Canva and search for templates related to your niche, like real estate Instagram templates. Now, here is the secret: do not just copy and paste. You want to customize these templates to make them unique. Change the colors, swap out the fonts, and add your own layout touches. This takes about 15 minutes once you get the hang of it. If you need content or writing for your templates, use a free artificial intelligence tool like ChatGPT. Just ask ChatGPT to write 10 engaging real estate tips for home buyers, and paste those tips right into your Canva designs. Just like that, you have a high-value digital product ready to sell. Step 3 is setting up your digital storefront. The absolute best place for beginners to start is Gumroad or Etsy. Gumroad is completely free to set up and they only take a tiny cut when you actually make a sale, meaning there is zero financial risk for you. Create a free account, upload your digital product as a PDF or a template link, and write a simple, benefit-driven description. Do not just list the features. Explain how this product will save your customer time, reduce their stress, or help them organize their life. Set a reasonable price, like $9 to $19. At $9, you only need about 100 sales to hit that $1,000 mark. Step 4 is the most important part: getting free traffic to your listing. You do not need to spend a single penny on ads. Instead, we are going to use TikTok and Instagram Reels. Create a brand new account dedicated to your niche. You do not even have to show your face. Use a free screen recorder on your phone to film yourself using your digital product. Show how easy it is to customize or how it solves a problem. Put a trending sound in the background, add some simple text on the screen, and put the link to your shop in your bio. Post 1 to 2 of these short videos every single day. Because these platforms use algorithm-based distribution, your videos can easily get thousands of views even with zero followers. Step 5 is automating the entire process. Once you set up your shop and link it to your social media, the entire system runs on autopilot. When a customer buys your product, the platform automatically sends them the file, collects the payment, and deposits the money into your bank account. Your only job now is to keep posting those short videos and creating new products based on what your audience asks for. This is the most straightforward, zero-cost side hustle you can start right now. Anyone can do this if they just take action. If you found this video helpful and want more practical, no-fluff guides on how to make money online, hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on notifications so you never miss a step-by-step strategy, and leave a comment below letting me know what niche you are going to try first. Let us build your online income together.